So today we will learn how to create mail merge document in MS Word. For that we will double click on Word and then we will double click on the blank document. The Word window will be opened. Okay, and to create the mail merge document we have to go to mailing tab. On the mailing tab we will click, then we will click on the start mail merge option. When we click we get the last option, step by step merge wizard. We need to click there. Then by default in the mail merge pan the letter option is selected. We don't need to change it. We will click at the bottom next step. So we will create our document. There it will ask us what do you want. You want to create, use the current document. Click next. In the next step you have to select your recipient. Where are your recipients? If you have already created, go to browse option the way I have created. There you can see the recipient list is there. Okay, then click on OK. There are 4 recipients I have created. Their first name, last name, city, their company name is mentioned. Click OK. So I have added 4 people because I wanted to send the letter to 4 people. Now it's time to create the letter. We will type the letter. We will make the letter. So what we need to do, we will add the address. So we will click on more items. Address line 1 is added. Now whatever the body of the letter is, the content of the letter is, you can type. Like I have written dear, but after dear I want the name of the recipients. So I will select here the first name of that recipient, and whatever the name will be of the recipient, that will automatically come. Okay, the next step is, let's come down, and after coming down we are going to write the content. Like I'm writing here that you are invited to my birthday party. Okay, so in this way we write the letter. After the writing letter we need to mention some steps, means such as we can write the address, the company name, the city name, and that will be different for the different recipient. Okay, so I'm writing here, I hope to see you there. After that I will write my name, that who am I, okay, your friend. Then my name will be written. Okay, you can see that I have typed here. Then after I will add the address of the recipient, maybe the company of the recipient. I will go to the more item, I will click on the company name. Okay, company address and then company name. So let's double click on the address name or company name. So let's click there and you will see that that will be added to your document. Okay, now more items, then address. Okay, company name will be added. Then press enter key. After pressing enter key, go to more items again and click on the address line 1. You can see the company name and the address line 1 is added. Now in this way we have created our document. If you click next or back button, you can see here there are 4 people for whom the letter is created. In this way we have created the merged document. The content of the letter is same for everyone, but the address and the name and the company name is different. Now you can print your mail merge document. Okay, so in this way we have completed. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest